Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with next chapter, that is living and non-living things. In this chapter we will learn about living things, non-living things and some differences between living and non-living things. So let's start with the topic. We see many things around us like bat, ball, table, chair, pen, pencil, animals, birds, human beings, and trees. But do you know some of these things are living things and some are non living things, like bat, ball, table, chair, and pen, pencil. These are non living things, whereas trees, humans, birds, animals, all these are living things. So let's learn more about these. Living things means the things that have life. So all those things that have life, they are living things. Like animals, birds, human, they have life, so they are living things. Non-living things, the things that do not have life, they are non-living things, like bat, ball, table, chair. All these are non-living things and they differ in many ways. So let's see how living things differ from non-living things. So first of all, we are going to start with living things need food and water. As you know, living things have life, so they need food and water. But why do they need food and water? They need it to live and to grow. They need to grow in size and they have to live. For that, they are depending on food and water. They need food and water. For example, animals. What animals do is, animals eat plants or flesh of other animals as food, whereas plants make their own food in the presence of sunlight, air, and water. If you will see human beings depend on both plants and animals for their food. So I am going to show a picture to you. In this you can see a monkey eats banana. Plants make their own food. They make their own food in the presence of sunlight, air, and water. Next you can see human beings. We human beings get food from plants and animals. But does a bicycle eat food? No, because non-living things do not need food. And bicycle is non-living thing. It do not have life. Next is living things move. Living things move on their own. They move from one place to another place. They move in search of food, shelter. Shelter means the place where they live, and to protect themselves from enemies. So keep themselves safe, they move from one place to another. Some animals are there like cow, dog, lion. All these animals move with the help of their legs. But some animals are there like birds and insects. They have wings. So they fly with the help of their wings. But if you will talk about plants, plants do not move from one place to another because they do not need to search for food. But different parts of a plant can show movement. Like you can see movement in touch me not plant, mimosa plant and sunflower. The sunflower turns towards the sun and the leaves of touch me not plant closes when touched. So I am going to show picture of a touch me not plant. So here you can see the leaves are open, but if you will touch the leaves of the plant, it closes. So here you can see the difference. Without touching, these are wide open, but after touching, they closes. Let's see other examples. A butterfly flies with the help of wings. These are wings of the butterfly. You can see a fish. A fish swims with the help of fins. So fish have fins. These are fins of the fish. It swims with the help of fins. Here you can see dog. A dog moves with the help of legs. Does a chair move on its own? No. Non-living things do not move on their own. They move only when somebody move them. Okay. So today we will complete only up to this. In next video I am going to explain other differences between living and non-living things. Thank you.